In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a SurveyMonkey form in MailerLite step by step, so you can add your survey link into your email or page quickly and cleanly. This is a really useful workflow if you want to collect feedback, run a customer survey, or send people straight to a SurveyMonkey form from your MailerLite campaign. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey dashboard, click on the survey you want to use. This is the survey that you'll be sharing inside MailerLite, so make sure it's the correct one before moving forward. Next, open the Publish section for that survey. Publishing is where SurveyMonkey gives you the different ways to share your form. After that, click on Add New Collector. A collector is basically the method SurveyMonkey uses to gather responses, and in this case, we want a shareable link. Now choose Share a Link. This creates a link that people can click to open your survey. Once the link is generated, click Copy so you have it saved to your clipboard. This is the link you'll paste into MailerLite in just a moment. Now switch over to MailerLite and open the page or email where you want to add the survey link. In the editor, click the Add button. This will open the content blocks you can place into your design. From the block option, select Button and drag and drop it into the section where you want the survey call to action to appear. Using a button is the easiest way to make the survey link clear and clickable for your audience. Once the button is placed, click on it and type something like survey, take the survey, or give feedback. This text will appear on the button, so keep it short and action focused. After that, paste the SurveyMonkey link you copied earlier into the button link field. Make sure the correct link is inserted so anyone who clicks the button is sent directly to your survey. At this point, you can also double check the button style, placement, and wording so it fits the rest of your MailerLite design. And that's it. You've now embedded your SurveyMonkey form link inside MailerLite using a simple button. This is a fast and effective way to direct subscribers to your survey without needing any complicated setup. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to add the SurveyMonkey link into a MailerLite email, landing page, or pop-up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.